Okay, let's start our discussion. So students, convert each improper fraction to a mixed number. Write each answer in its simplest form. So what is this? Hopefully, this is very easy one, and hopefully you have done it in your. Okay, so 35 divided by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 1, 5. 2 times 7 is 14, 1. So what is the remainder, bacho? 1 is the remainder. 1 is called the remainder. What is this called? And what is this called? Quotient. And what is this called? Divisor. Got it? So this is quotient, this is divisor, and this is remainder. So we have to write them in a mixed number. So what will be the mixed number that we will get? First of all, you will write quotient 17 whole. Then you will write remainder 1 by 2. So it's like this 17 whole 1 by 2. You started from writing over here and write this and then write this. Okay. So now next one is B part. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Okay. 21 by 14. Can we simplify 21 by 14? Can we simplify 21 by 14? All of you participate.
Yes, miss, we can.
With which table?
7.
7. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 2 is 14.
2 are
We can
14.
divide 2. So now we can divide 3 by 2 like this. 2 times 1 is 2. Everyone knows the division, right? 1. So now what is quotient? 1. What is remainder? 1. And what is divisor? 2. So how you're going to write this one?
1
1.
whole 1 upon 2.
1 whole 1 upon 2. Very good. Okay. Next C part is 50 by 6. Can we simply, what is this? Keep your mics
Miss,
off if there is one on your
5,
side.
5 upon 3. No.
5 upon 3? How? Not possible.
Grandpa make yellow pencil.
Which table which we can divide this sum? Sorry? It is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 3 is 6. So you get 25 by 3, right? Now can you divide 25 by 3 like this? Okay. There is some noise coming from your side. Can you please keep your mics muted if there is noise? Okay. So 3, you have to divide.
The answer comes. Miss,
Yes,
the answer comes. Miss, 8, 3 and 1.
3 times 8 is 24. So you get 1 over here. Okay. So this is quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor. So how you can write this one? Ishal Fatma, can you answer?
Miss?
Hello, Ishal. Yes.
Miss, if we're dividing 25 by 3, why can't we do like this? Like 3 ones are 3, and then 1 comes and we can put the 5 down, and 3 5s are 15.
How 3 ones are 3? This is 2 over here. 2 is less than 3. So how can you write 3 ones are 3?
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me how to write in the mixed fraction. I want Ishal to answer this. Yes, Ishal.
Denominator from the numerator.
Ishal, I'm unable to hear you. Please speak loudly.
Miss, we will divide.
Hello.
Yes, we will divide it.
We have already divided this. Now how to write it as a mixed number?
Miss, we will write 3 as a denominator and 1 as a numerator and 8 as a whole number.
8 whole 1 by 3. Very good, Ishal. Thank you so much. Okay, last part. 30 by 18. Okay, then it is divisible by which number? Can you simplify this?
Wait. Yes, miss. It is divisible by 6. 5 upon 3.
6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. Very good.
Yes.
Now can you divide 5 by 3? You get 3 times 1 is 3 and 2. Now how can you
Yes.
write it as a mixed fraction?
2 whole 1 upon 3.
1 whole 2
Oh,
upon
yes.
3. The quotient always
Yes.
comes as a whole number. Okay, remember this.
Yes.
1
Okay.
whole 2 upon 3. Very good, everyone. Okay, compare the following pairs of numbers using lesser than, greater than, or equal to. Yesterday we also did a few questions like this. Today we are going to some more questions. So 1 whole is here and 1 whole is here. Whole number is same. We are not going to touch this. Now 4 by 12, 1 by 3. How can we make the denominator same? Yes. Multiply this with 4. Multiply with 4. So you will get 1 whole. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now which one is greater? Greater, lesser, or equal to? What sign is going to come over here?
Equal to.
Equal to. Very good. You can also do it in another way. We can simplify 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. You get 1 whole by 3, which was actually this fraction. So in both the cases, you get the sign of equal to. Got it? Okay. Can you simplify this fraction? 1 whole simplify 9 by 12.
Miss, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12.
But this is not giving us the answer because 3 by 4 is not equal to 2 by 3. And the denominators are also not same. So we can go for the other part, other way. Can we make the denominator same on the other side? So what we will get? 1, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. So we get 1 8 by 12, 1 9 by 12 here. So which one is greater?
Miss 1 9 by 12.
Everyone clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now this one. Can we simplify this 12 by 54?
Miss, we can 27 times 2 is 54, so we can make the denominator same.
Okay, we can also make the denominator same and we can also simplify this. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 7 is 14. So you get 2 whole 6 by 27. 2 whole 6 by 27, which is equal to. Are you all getting it? Ishal, Harim, Aisha,
Yes,
Fatima?
miss. Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
70 by 12 and 17 by 3. Now, if we simplify this, we won't get this thing. Can we make the denominator same? 3 times 4 is 12. 17 times 4. What we will get? What we will get over here?
Miss, 17 times 4 is 68 and 3 times 4 is 12.
68 upon 12.
Now, which is greater, which is lesser? Maida, Ijaz, everyone should participate.
70 upon 12.
Greater
70
than
or
sign is going to come like this. Yes, very good. I want all of you to participate. Okay, if you have any questions, you can stop me there and ask the question. Okay, 11 by 7, 19 by 12. Now, can you make 7 to 12, 12 to 7? Not possible. Now you have to do the one we did yesterday. Because 7 is a prime number. So if you have one prime number, then you have to do this thing. Remember? You
Miss,
need to
but
multiply.
Miss, the other way to do is we can also find a number, their common multiple.
Yes, we can also find the common multiple. That will come the same thing. Common multiple will be the product of 12 and 7. Because 7 is a prime number. Okay. So if it is a prime number, the denominator is 7 and denominator is 12. So 7 is a prime number. So in this case, you need to multiply both of the sides with opposite numbers. So you will multiply this fraction with 12 and this fraction with 7. Now what you will get here? 12 times 11.
Miss 12 times 7 is 84 and 12 times 12 is 132. 11 times 12.
So you get 132 and 133. Now which one is greater?
19 upon 12.
Miss 133.
Very good.
133 over 84.
You are not going to say 133 over 84. You are going to say 19 by 12 is greater. This is the working that we are doing. But actually 19 by 12 is greater than 11 by 7. Okay. 11 by 9, 77 by 63. So 11 times 7 is 77. Can we solve it? No, we cannot solve it. 7 times 11 is 77. 7 times 9 is 63. Yes, we can do it with the table of 7. So they both are equal. Okay. And 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. So you get here 3 by 2. If you solve this one, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So they both are equal again. Because this is an improper fraction, but this is a mixed number. So you need both to make the improper one. So I convert this mixed fraction into the improper one. Okay. Okay, this one. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14. So we get 15 by 2 here. And what about here? We need to multiply. 7 times 7 plus 4. We get 53 by 7 over here. But we need to, okay, we can just leave it like this. We can leave it like this because here it is 53 by 7. Here it is 105 by 14. So we can multiply it with 2 to make 14 in the denominator, right? So 53 multiplied by 2 is 106 by 14. So students, which one is greater?
4 upon 7. 7 whole 4 upon 7.
Whole 4 upon 7. Got it? Understand it? First of all, I tried to simplify this fraction, but it wasn't working for me. Then I thought I'm not going to simplify it. I will just change this mixed number into the improper fraction and then make the denominator equal, which will work for me because both of the denominators are same. So I know which one is greater and which one is lesser one. So this is easy for me. Okay, students, find the values of each of the following. Now, write each answer as mixed number. Okay, so now, students, this is the very easy portion of your, because this is only addition. So if the denominators are same, you can easily add the numerators. What will you get?
13 upon
Keep on
17 for the
answering
first.
fastly. 13 by 17. But now the problem is they're saying to convert it in the mixed fraction. So can you convert it in the mixed fraction?
By
No, because
dividing.
but 13 is smaller than 17. So therefore, if numerator is less than denominator, you cannot convert it. Okay, coming over here. What will you get?
24 upon 20.
Very good. Now can you convert it in the mixed fraction? Yes. 20 times 1 is 20, remainder 4. What will you get?
1 upon 1 whole 4 upon 20.
Very good. Okay. Now there is a problem that the denominators are not equal. But this is not a big problem because you know how to make the denominators equal. So what are you going to do?
Multiply by 3. 3, 2 into 3.
Very good. All of you know this thing very good. 6 by 9. So now it's 6 by 9 plus 5 by 9. What will you get?
11 upon 9.
So now you can convert it in the mixed number. What will you get?
1 whole 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9.
1 whole. Are you all participating? Okay.
Yes.
So now you have 6 and 9, two other numbers. Now you can use the rule that you can use the common multiple of both of the numbers. The one that one of your student was telling. So what is the common multiple of 6 and 9?
3.
3 times 6, 3 is 9. So if you multiply both of the numbers, both of the fractions with 3, you need to find the least common multiple. It would be 3 times 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So you can make both of the numbers to 18. The target is that you find the least common multiple of 6 and 9. The least common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. Now you have to make both of the denominators to 18. So 9 times what is 18?
2.
2. 6 times what is 18?
3.
3. This is the target. Okay. So now you get 4 times 2 is 8, 9 times 2 is 18, 4 times 3 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 plus 8 will give you 12 plus 8, sorry. 12 plus 8 will give you 20 by 18, right?
180.
Now you can convert it in the mixed fraction. 20, 18 times 1 is 18, you get 2. So you get 1 whole 2 by
1 whole
18. Also you can simplify this. 1 whole 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 9 is 18, so you get 1 by 9. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Is part D clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So 4 and 6, again this is the same problem. 4 and 6, we need to find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. 2 times 2 is 4, 3 is 6. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 is the least common multiple of 4 and 6. Now we are going to make both of the fractions to 12. So 6 times 2 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12. Do everyone understand this thing?
Yes.
So 5 times 2 is 10 by 12, 3 times 3 is 9 by 12. So what did you get? 10 plus 9 is 19 by 12. Now you want to convert it in the mixed fraction. You get 7 here, so you get 1 whole 7 by 12. Easy. Now you got the most
Yes.
easy one. You have the denominator same. So everything is done for you.
3 upon 13.
7 upon 13.
3 by 13. Okay, just wait a
Yes.
minute. I'm coming in 1 second.
13.
Okay, so you got 3 by 13. Okay, next question is, again you're getting same denominators. Very easy one. What will you get? 17 minus 8.
9 upon 20.
Very good. 9 upon 20. So you can easily convert it into the mixed fraction. No, you cannot convert it into the mixed. Okay. So 1 by 2. Okay, now 2 and 5 are both prime numbers. So if they are prime numbers, we need to multiply with the opposite number.
5 into 2 and 2 into 2. 5 into
5
2
by 10,
and
and here we have 4 by 10. So 5 minus 4 is 1 by 10. We got the answer. Okay, last two questions are left. It's 3 minus 2 by 3. If there is nothing in the denominator, write 1. So now to make the denominator same, multiply this fraction with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 7 by 3. Right? Now we can convert it into mixed fraction. 3 times 2 is 6. We got 1. So it's going to be 2 whole 1 by 3. Got it? Okay. Now 3 and 7 are both prime numbers. What are we going to do? Yes, students. 3 and 7 are both prime numbers. What will we do?
We will multiply 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, and we will multiply 1 with 3 and 7.
Very good. So what we will get here is 6 by 21, and here we will get 3 by 21. So what will be the answer? Yes, someone else.
Miss, 3
Miss,
3 over 21.
Very good. 3 by 21. So now can you convert it in the, can you convert this in the mixed fraction or not? No, because when
Miss,
numerator
we
is
can.
smaller than denominator, you cannot convert it. Okay, we are done with it. Okay, are you all clear with question number 6? I'm moving to the next question, okay?
Miss, but 3 sevens are 21. Why can't we convert it into a mixed fraction?
We are going to write 3 inside and 21 outside. Can you solve it?
Miss, you
3
have
sevens
written
are 21. Oh, wait, no.
You can just simplify it. You can just simplify it. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 7 is 21. But you cannot convert it in the mixed fraction. Got it?
Miss,
Okay.
in 2 upon 3, we have to multiply by 7, right? You have multiplied 2 by 3.
Yes. Oh, sorry. I need to multiply it with 7. So 7 times 2 is 40. So only this student, which student point out the mistake?
Miss Maida.
Very good, Maida. Thank you so much. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. So you got 3 by 21. And 14 minus 3 will be
12.
11 by,
No. 11 by 21.
yes. So this will be the answer. Okay, I'm starting question number 7. Find the value of each of the following. Write each answer is a mixed number in the simplest form. Okay, so now what is happening? First of all, for the A part, 1 whole 1 by 7 plus 2 whole 5 by 7. So how you're going to solve this one? Yes, any hints?
Miss, we will plus 2 with 1, so answer will come 3. 5 plus 1, 6. And 7 is remaining 7, so answer will come 3 whole 6 over 7.
Miss, we will convert them into fraction.
Okay,
Proper fraction. It will be 8 upon 7 plus 19 upon 7.
so if you convert it in the mix, in the improper fraction, what will you get? 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8 by 7 plus 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 by 7. So what will you get? 19 plus 8, that is 27 by 7. But one of the students suggested a very simple way. That is, we can add the whole numbers 1 plus 2. That will be 1 by 7 plus 5 by 7 have the same denominators. So they can be added. We will get 6 by 7. After adding them, now we can convert, because are they asking to convert? Right, each answer is a mixed number, so we don't need to convert. So 3 whole 6 by 7 is the answer. Now we can check if we convert this in the mixed number. 27 by 7. What will we get? 7 times 1 is 7 times 3 is 21. 6. So if we convert it in the mixed fraction, we will get 3 whole 6 by 7. So what is the way? You can also do in this way. First of all, convert mixed fraction into improper, then get the answer, then go back to the mixed number. But you can also directly write in the mixed fraction by adding the whole numbers and adding the fractions. Got it? Yes, students, everything clear?
Miss, can you explain one more time?
Yes.
Yes, I can explain one more time. We will do it with the C part again, and you can understand it in a better way. 2 whole 8 by 15 plus 5 whole 7 by 15. Now, I am going to use two methods to solve this question. Method 1 and method 2. Okay, so what is method 1? These are the whole numbers for both of the mixed fractions. So add the whole numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now we are going to work on the fractions. Listen to me carefully. So we have added the whole numbers, now working on the fractions. The fractions have the denominator same? Yes. So you can just need to add the numerators.
Yes.
8 plus 7 is 15. So you got 15 by 15. Now you can simplify it. 7 whole 15 by 15 is 1, right? 15 plus 15 is 1,
30.
which will be, we are going to count. 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 by 15. 15 times 1 is 15, 15 times 1 is 15. Okay? We can also simplify it later on. Okay, let me tell you method. Okay, now convert this in the improper. 15 times 2 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38 by 15. Got it? Plus 15 times 5 is 82 by 50. Now adding them, 38 plus 82, 120 by 50. 120 by 15 is 8. So here what is happening? 7, 15 by 15. If you cancel 15, you get 1 here. So you're going to add this one. You will get 8. So this is a longer method. This is a shorter method. But both the methods give you the same answer. We are going to learn the shorter method. Okay. Let me tell you the shorter method once again. First add the whole numbers. 2 plus 5 is 7.
7.
Are you getting it? Now add the fractions. 8 plus 7 is 15 by 15. Now cancel out the fractions. 15 by 15 cancel out, got 1. Add the fractions in the whole number. You will get it. Okay? Clear to everyone?
Okay.
Let's start. We have done A and C part. Let's do the B part now. Okay. Who is going to tell me about B part?
Miss, can I tell?
Yes.
Miss, can I tell?
Yes, anyone can tell.
Okay, Miss, we add 5 plus 2, the whole number 5 plus 2, it equals to 7.
Stop.
Then we,
Stop. I'm asking about B part, not B part.
oh, Miss,
Yes.
then, Miss, over here we have 1 whole. So we first plus 8 plus 2, 10. Then we plus the 9, the denominator 9 stays the same,
So
and then we add 1
whole,
whole.
8 plus 2, 10 by 9. So we need to leave the answer in the mixed number. So it means this is our answer. We don't need to work further. Okay. For D part. Yes. Can I have Zen telling me about D part?
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Zen.
Yes, Miss. Wait, I'm calculating.
Calculating? Is it taking too much time? First of all, add the whole number. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now, using the
7, yes.
fraction. We have 10 over here. We need to make the denominator same. So what we will get over
Yes.
here? 4 by 10. Now 4
Yes.
plus 3 is 7 by 10. Got it?
Yes, Miss, I got it.
Okay. Who is going to work on the part F? Yes, Maida. Yes, part F.
Miss, we will multiply it by 6 by 10 and 10.
Okay. We need to make the denominator same. So do we have any common factor for 10 and 6?
2.
5 to the 10, 2 to the 6. So 5 to the 10, 10, 10 to the 30. So we can make both of the numbers equal to 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. 10 times 3 is 30. Right? So what did we get? 1 whole 9 by 30 plus 25 by 30. All clear up till now?
Yes.
So now it is 1 whole. 9 plus 25 is?
30.
Miss, if the
34
denominators
by
will be prime numbers.
34.
34 by 30. Yes. So you got the answer. But you can simplify it further because they said to simplify. So we can write 1 whole. Can you simplify 34 by 30? 2 times 1 is 2, 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, 7 is 14. So you can write 17 by 50. This will be the final answer. Okay. Coming to E part. Who is going to help me in E part?
Miss, can I?
Yes, Harim. Please answer.
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, Harim.
Yes, Miss.
Can you answer E part?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Miss, just 1 minute. Yes, I found out the answer. Miss,
Yes, Harim.
4 whole 10 by 15.
How did you get this? First of all, we need to add the whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then make the denominator same. So what we will get?
5 into
3 times 2 is 6 by 15. We got it like this. Then we can write 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 15. And further, we
Yes,
need to
Miss.
simplify it. 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. So this will be our final answer. Okay. We are left with G part. 13 by 4 plus 1 whole 5 by 6. G part I am solving over here. 13 by 4 plus 1 whole 5 by 6. And I want Fatima to answer this question.
Miss,
Yes, Fatima.
because the whole numbers 1, so first we can just make the denominator same. For that, we can take the
How?
LCM.
Very good. So what will be the
And
LCM of 4 and 6?
then 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Then we will multiply 2 2s are
Okay,
4 and 4 3s are 12.
very good. So you get 12.
Then
So
we
now you
will
make the
multiply 4 with the 3 and 6 with the 2. So our denominator will be same by this way. We will also multiply the numerator with the same number,
very good.
like
Okay,
5 2s are 10, and just like you multiply it. Then we
okay,
will
good. So you got this.
yes.
Okay, I want Ishal, Fatima, Ishal, Atif or Fatima, I don't know. To do part 8. Yes, Ishal.
The whole number will be 3, and then
Ishal, so speak loudly. What is happening to your speaker or mic? Because 7 is a prime number, you need to multiply on both sides with 11 here and 7 here. 55 by 77 plus. Ishara, I want you to speak.
Then we will add 55 from this
Miss,
50
I
and
have a question. I can't understand these questions in which one part has a whole number and one doesn't.
Okay, if one has a whole number 3 and it does not have whole number, so 3 will come as it is. You don't need to add it on any number. Okay? Okay.
1 upon 7.
1 upon 7 or 6? 1 upon 7 or 6?
Miss, 1 upon
7.
7.
1 upon 7.
But don't you think there is minus in 3 minus 4 should be minus 1? So there is a bit confusing over here like this. Right? 3 minus 4 should be minus 1, not plus 1. So can we do it like this? 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17 by 7 minus 4 by 7. What will you get? 13 by 7.
Miss, I don't understand this one. Can you explain one more time?
Who is this?
Miss me, Fatma.
Yes, Fatma. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. So you just converted it the improper fraction first. So 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17. So you got 17 by 7 minus 4 by 7. 17 minus 4 is 13 by 7. Now you when convert 13 by 7 into mixed number, you get 1 whole 6 upon 7.
Okay, Miss.
Got it?
I
Okay.
understand it now. Thank you.
Okay. 37 by 18 minus 1 whole 7 by 18. Yes.
Miss,
Yes,
the
we can.
answer comes 1 whole 30 over 18.
You should also tell me the procedure. So you can just convert the second part in the improper fraction 25 by 18. So what will you get? 37 minus 25, which is equal
7
to
minus 7.
12 by 18. And you can get 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So you get 2 by 3. And if you convert 2 by 3 in the mixed number, you cannot convert it. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, D part. I'm going to do D part over here because the space is very less. 2, 8 by 11 minus 2, 9 by 22. Now we have things like this. Now what is going to happen?
Miss, did we also have to minus our whole number?
We can write 30 by 11 minus
Miss, how did you get 30 by 11?
53 by 22. Okay. Yes, students, who is going to tell me how did I get 30 by 11?
Miss, I know you multiplied 11 times 2 and 11 times 2 is 22. 22 plus 8 equals 30. 22 and the same case is with 22 times 2.
So I
Miss,
just
you
multiply
convert
11
into
times
the
2 is 22 plus 8 is 30 by 11. 22 into 2, 44 plus 9 is 53 by 22. Okay. Now I'm going to make the denominator same. What will I get? 60 minus 53. So what is 60 minus 53? 7 by 22, which is our answer.
7 by 22.
Okay, now I'm going to come to E part. 10 whole 3 by 8 minus 6 whole 13 by 24. Okay. In this, can you make this fraction equal to the denominator by multiplying it with 3? So you get 10 whole 9 by 24 minus 6 whole 13 by 24. So what we get? 10 minus 6, 4 whole. Yes, students, are you getting it, or you want to convert it in the improper form?
So I didn't understand.
So you will understand the same method. 24 into 10, 240 by 9. 240 plus 9, 249 by 24. You can follow the same method so you don't get confused. Minus 24 into 6 plus 13.
Miss, can we minus the whole
157.
number?
Sorry?
Can we minus the whole number like 10 minus 6?
Yes, we can do, but some of the students are getting confused.
Okay,
So
Miss.
I'm trying to follow the same method. 92 by 24. So now you can divide 92 by 24 and you will get 23 by 6. I think now everyone can understand. Are you?
Yes, Miss.
Are you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now F part. 15 by 4 minus 2 whole 1 by 6. 15 by 4 minus 6 times 2 is 12, 13 by 6. Now we just calculated in the last question that the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So we can make both of the denominators equal to 12. So 15 times 3 is 45. So what you will get? 45 minus 26, which is equal to 19 by 12. Got it?
Yes.
Also, you can convert it. 19, 12, 1 are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 7. So you got 1 whole 7 by 12. Okay, we're done with F part. Now G part. Yes, G part is 3 whole 5 by 8 minus 1 whole 5 by 6. You can write 29 by 8 minus 6 times 1 is 6, 11 by 6. Okay, now what is the LCM for 8 and 6? 2 times 4 is 8, 3 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 24. 24 is the LCM. So you need to make them 24. How will you make them 24? By multiplying it with 4. And how will you make 8 24? By multiplying it with 3. Got it? So 29 times 3 would be 87 by 24 minus 44 by 24. So 87 minus 44 will be equal to 43 by 24. You can convert it in the mixed fraction. You got 19. So you got 1 whole 19 by 20. Got it? Okay, next question is last part. 3 whole 5 by 7. 3 whole 5 by 7 minus 7 by 5. You got 26 by 7 minus 7 by 5. So what you need to do now? 7 is a prime number. So you will multiply with the opposite numbers in the both fraction. So what you will get? 26 times 7, sorry, 26 times 5, which is equal to 130. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 7 is 49. 7 times 5 is 35. So you got 130 minus 49, which is equal to 81 by 35. Now you can write it in the mixed fraction, 81 by 35. So 35 times 2 is 70. So you get 1, 1. So you can write 2 whole 11 by 35. Yes, students, any confusion in all of these questions? I'm giving you 2 minutes. You can just look at them. All of the question number 8.
Miss, if the denominators are composite, so we have to take the LCM to
Yes,
make them same.
LCM.
And if they
Yes.
are not,
Now,
if
what
they are prime, so
if it is
Miss,
a prime
if
number,
we have
LCM? Listen to me. Listen to me. Your question is very important. So, if it is a composite number, for example, you have 8 and 6.
yes.
Just listen to me. So, if you have 8 and 6, obviously the LCM is going to be 2 times 4 is 8, 3, 6. And 4 3 is 12, 12 is 24 is the LCM. Now, if they are prime numbers, 1 is a prime number. For example, 7 and 5. So what will be the LCM? 7 times 1 is 7 and 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So if you multiply both of 7 with 5, you will get 35. If you multiply 5 with 7, you will get 35. So if you multiply opposite denominators, you will get the LCM basically. So let's take another example. For example, any other example from the last question. If you have one prime number, so obviously, for example, 7 and 11. So what is the LCM of 7 and 11? It is 77. So if you multiply 11 with 7 and 7 with 11, again, you will get 77. So it's one in the same thing. The concept is same. Okay. You are always going to take the LCM, whether it is prime
Miss.
number or whether it is not prime number. But in case of prime number, the LCM is same as it is the product of both the opposite denominators.
Okay,
Okay,
Miss.
next
Thank you.
question. Any other question? Yes. Anyone have question in any of today's lesson? Any
Miss,
question from today's lesson? Yes,
oh,
Aisha.
Miss, if we have to minus, like if there are two numbers with each have a whole number next to them, we can directly minus the whole numbers.
Yes. Yes, Aisha. You were asking something.
No.
Okay, Maida, are you asking something?
No, miss.
Okay. And Ishal, Fatma, are you asking something?
No, Miss.
Okay. Everyone is clear now?
Yes.
Okay. This chapter is easier than the last one. So all of you needs to just complete all of these questions by your own hand at home. Please, I'm not going to say you daily. आप लोगों ने जो भी काम मैं आपको करवाऊंगी, you are supposed to do it at home by your own on your notebooks, okay? Because it
Okay,
is very
ma'am.
important for your practice. And we will have our lesson on Monday, inshallah. On Monday there
Yes.
will be the test for chapter number 1 of D1-MATHS. Updated edition, I have sent the updated edition in the group. Okay, thank you so much, students. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.